Hello viewers, today I am making a beautiful resin coaster and I have brought for you a beautiful color combination idea for resin coaster. Blue and white colors with golden flecks. I am pouring the golden flecks in the middle, which will look very beautiful, very easy to make. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope you are enjoying. I am making it for my client. It will look very beautiful after dry. Beautiful color combination. I like it very much. You can use a stick for effects. Very beautiful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.